Welcome to Funwitrin, the coolest place to solve fun riddles and tricky brain teasers. Are you ready? Let's get riddling! I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for long. What am I? I am a breath. I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? I am a keyboard. What can you catch but not throw? What am I? I am a cold. I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. What am I? I am a cloud. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? I am footsteps. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.